The following is an overview of what our drivers do when they arrive to site with the TMA truck.
Approaching site approximately 250 meters before, I would turn on all my lights, blue, red, and then all the top lights up here, beacons, everything like that. I would be checking the camera at all times, starting to lower the tail as safely as possible, checking the mirrors to make sure no one has came in behind me. While I'm lowering the tail, I'm turning on the aero board so that as the tail is lowered, they have a target. They realize that yeah, we're working or there's something up ahead. Once the tail is completely down, I will raise the aero board to its full height, exposing the speed reader, which again will slow down traffic. I will go to the phone. It has a setting that says arrived. We hit that. I will then go out, go into our ticket for the day, go over to photos, and take a shot of the situation, the car, and so be it. Once that's done, I just go back to the ticket. The phone is down, and then I'll grab my book. I keep track of each day of what different scenarios that we had, locations. I'll write in the book where we are, put that down, and I'll wait for the tow truck. Once the tow truck has arrived, depending on how he parks or situates himself with the vehicle, we may stay in the shoulder, or if needed, we'll take out the lane to make it safer for everybody on site. Once the tow truck is done, it generally gives me a thumbs up or a wave kind of thing. At that time, we will move either if the vehicle is just a flat vehicle may leave before us. We'll make sure that we help them get out onto the road. And if it's a tow, then I will get into traffic, into the open lane to allow the tow truck an easier entrance to get up to speed on the flow. We are behind the tow truck. We're constantly watching our mirrors. If we're in the shoulder, it's generally a driver's mirror. You're watching quite a bit. You're also checking the top left camera, which is the tail, to make sure that no one is coming down the shoulder or the lane possibly. So it's kind of back and forth, making sure that all the lights are still on, everything is good. And getting back to the mirror. That's your biggest focus. And then also checking in front to make sure that the tow truck or the customer, everything is okay in front of you. And again, going back to the mirror. It's kind of like a rotation of 3 different locations that you're looking at all times while you're stopped.
In the cockpit of the TMA truck, our drivers are constantly monitoring all the angles. Our top priority is to protect your people. We are ATS Traffic, your trusted leaders in traffic safety.